Hi guys, I just wanted to show you how you can enroll to become a market partner, which is awesome. So you'll first go to my website, sarahtaylor.mymonat.com, and you will go to the section right here that says opportunity. Go ahead and click on that. It'll bring you to this page, which you're more than welcome to look through, but you will click on Join Now, and you will go to US. And then you will select your starter kit. So as you looked through here, you can pick from different product packs. You can choose the $5.99 one, you can choose the $3.99 one, or the $2.99 one. There's also a $99 option. I wouldn't suggest it because everything in this $99 one comes in these other product packs, but they're free. So for example, in this $2.99 product pack, you get 10 products plus all of this marketing material. If you choose to sell, you will get all that with it. So I would highly recommend one of those 3 product packs. I'm going to select for right now the $2.99 product pack, and I'm going to go ahead and click continue. On this section, you will look through the personal information. You'll just want to make sure you have the correct sponsor. So as you look on this page, I just want to clarify a couple things. So you have your name, birthday, phone, cell phone, all that kind of stuff. Yes, there is a business type. That doesn't mean you have to do the business aspect of it, but you can. I just suggest doing individual no matter what. You won't have to fill out company name, and yeah, you do need to give them your social security number. Again, that's only if you choose to sell. If you don't choose to sell, it's not a big deal. If you did choose to sell and you did make some money from it, you know, they will send you tax information at some point if you make over a certain amount. You do have to put in an email. At the bottom, yes, you do need to create a personalized website. It doesn't cost you any extra, even if you don't want to sell. You can just make up a random website. You can forget it for the rest of your life and never even use it. It really doesn't matter. But yes, you do, just in case at some point you do choose to do it. Again, not required. You will create a password. So after you get, I'm just going to pause it right now just to create some information so I can show you the next page. Okay, when you get to the next page is the billing and shipping information. So you can put in your credit card, you can put in your billing information. At the very bottom, it says back office subscription. Right now, it says that the price for the light version is $0. The Pro is free for the first 30 days. So what you want to do right now is select this, okay, and then you'll click continue, and I will let you know how to cancel this. It's just super easy, but for right now, just select it. You won't get charged for anything, and I want you to contact me, and I will just show you really quickly how to cancel that, and you won't get charged anything. If you'd like to try it out, it's free for 30 days. If not, that's fine, and this is just your back office. So again, go ahead and select this and click continue, and I'm going to pause it and hopefully show you the next page. Actually, I'm not going to show you the next page because I would have to make up something for my credit card. Anyway, the last page is just the billing and shipping, and then you'll review and confirm. So if you have any other questions, let me know. Thank you.